Welcome. In today's guide, I'll show you exactly how to enable vibration for support requests, notifications on Instagram. If you've been missing important alerts from Instagram support, this simple setting will make sure you never overlook a message again. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and open your device's main settings. This is where all your app and notification preferences are managed. Once you're in, scroll down and tap on apps. This section lists every application installed on your phone. Next, find and tap on Instagram. You might need to scroll a bit if you have a lot of apps, but once you see Instagram, go ahead and select it. This will open all of Instagram's app-specific settings. Inside the Instagram app settings, tap on notifications. Here you'll see different types of notifications that Instagram can send, ranging from direct messages to activity updates. Now, tap on notification categories. This is where things get more detailed. Categories help you fine-tune exactly which notifications get your attention and how they alert you. Look for the option labeled support requests. This is the one related to messages from Instagram's support team, like when you've reported an issue or received a response from them. Tap on support requests to open its notification options. Once you're in, you'll see a few settings, including a switch for vibration. To enable vibration for support request notifications, simply toggle on the vibrate option. When the switch turns on, your phone will vibrate every time you receive a support-related update from Instagram. That's it. You've successfully turned on vibration for Instagram's support request notifications. It's a small change, but it can make a big difference, especially if you rely on quick responses or need to stay updated on reports and issues.